Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hose holder wall mount reel available. The Giraffe Tools 130FT Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Let's get into it. This heavy-duty wall-mounted hose reel is a game-changer for any gardening enthusiast. With its durable construction and innovative features, it's designed to make watering your garden a breeze. One of the standout features of this reel is its ability to lock at any length, giving you the flexibility to reach every corner of your garden without hassle. And when you're done, a gentle tug is all it takes for the hose to retract automatically, neatly coiling itself back in without any kinks or tangles. Plus, with the detachable leader hose, customization is easy. Need a shorter hose for a smaller area? No problem. Simply replace it with the length you need. Constructed with a hybrid retractable hose, this reel is leak-free and built to last. It's been put through rigorous pressure tests, so you can trust it to withstand whatever your garden throws its way. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble. Everything you need is included in the package, from the 180-degree rotation bracket to the nozzle. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll be ready to enjoy hassle-free watering in no time. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable hose holder wall mount reel, look no further than the Giraffe Tools 130FT Retractable Garden Hose Reel. With its durability, ease of use, and innovative features, it's a must-have for any gardener. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy gardening!